Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have another Advent Calendar series and this one will be number 9 and this one is 12 Days of Beauty from ULTA. And there's going to be 2 actually in this box. One is the Zodiac 12 Days and the other one is going to be a surprise. So let's get into this box. If you're not familiar with my Advent Calendar series, be sure and go back and watch the very first one. You'll get a sneaky peek of the Advent Calendar that I'm curating and will be giving away at the end of this series. Now, with each video there is a giveaway, so you can enter to win each Advent Calendar series video. There will be mystery prizes and I will choose a winner and tell you all about it and announce the winner on December 1st. We will find out more details on that. Right now we're going to go to what's inside this box. And here's a sneaky peek. Okay guys, this is the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. It is $22. If ULTA was to have a special, you might be able to get it for less. What you're going to find in here is 12 Days of Beauty inspired by the Zodiac. Elevate your makeup routine for all moods. This 12-piece set has hidden starry surprises in each box. And it features a countdown. Of course, we've got 1 through 12. So let's get started. And of course, I got this at ULTA, ulta.com, and I'll have that information down in the bottom. But without any further ado, let's find out what's in this calendar. Now, this is a very affordable calendar. And this is Advent Series number 9. Oh yeah, we're getting on up there. And this here is probably one of the most affordable Advent calendars and a little fun that I have found so far. And we're going to pop this open and probably fall out on this. Okay, I've got it out of the box. I don't know that I can lift this up. I don't want to lose the boxes. Okay, here we go. Here's what it looks like without all the shininess. So you can see we've got 1 through 12, and we're going to go through these one at a time. I am going to set this down because it could come apart, and you can see what I mean by the back. That's what's holding it together. But our first item is box number 1, and I'm going to pull this out of here. I guess it is being held on by a piece of glue, so that kept it from falling apart. But once I pull this apart, it's probably going to be apart. But this is day number 1, and let's find out what we have in day number 1. And I'm trying to open these without ripping the boxes, but it may not be possible. This is very interesting to open up. A little difficult. So it's not going to be the easiest thing to pop into, that's for sure. And this did come from ULTA, and day number 1, we have some pink ULTA Beauty lipstick. And this is a nude color. Very nice. And this is going to make a great gift for a young girl, a teenager. I'll just have to say that's a nude. So we've got us a pink lipstick. We've got us a nude lipstick in a pink container. You know I like pink, so that's a good start. Day number 2 is right here. And I can't say that this is going to be very friendly on reusing. They do have it taped up at the end here, but it's very interesting on getting into it. So you wouldn't be too much cheating on getting into this without someone finding out that you've been ripping into it. Day number 2, we have, it's all wrapped up, we have an ULTA Beauty eyeshadow duo. Let's see what colors we have. We've got us a blue and a brown. That would be good colors. That's kind of what I have on right now, just to give you an idea. You know, and you can blend it out with some lighter colors, but that's what's in my darker part of my eyes. Maybe not this product, but something similar. That was day number 2. Now we need to go on to day number 3. And now this one tore when I was pulling it off, so we'll just go ahead and get our little product this way. Day number 4 is an Ulta Beauty brow gel, and it's in that pretty pink. It's like a fuchsia color pink. That's our brush, and this is a brow gel, so very nice. Let's find out what's day number 4. Day number 4 is an eyeshadow. So this is an eyeshadow with a doe foot, and that looks to be like a sparkly neutral color, probably a little glitter. I think it's a bronze. So that is our little cream eyeshadow. Very nice. And it's got the pink top, so I've got a theme going through here. It's going to be the hot pink, it looks like. So if you know a girl that loves hot pink, she may really love this for her little Christmas Advent calendar. And like I said, it's $22, so very affordable, and plus there could be other discounts that you could get. I don't think I got any other discounts. I don't think they were offering anything, but you might get lucky. Now, day number 5. Day number 5, and I'm just going to tear into this. Ooh, this is a tinted by Ulta Beauty lip oil. So very nice, and again, we got us a nice little doe foot. It smells good. It smells like cotton candy. I love it when they smell and taste like that. So sweet. On day number 6, we have this right here, and inside here we have another product that's wrapped up in paper, and it is another eyeshadow duo, and this is it's got kind of got like a pink mauve and a taupe, so that's very nice. 2 nice little eyeshadow palettes, and like I said, they are a little bit smaller, but they'd be great for putting in a little cosmetic bag and on the go. So now we're on day 7, and day 7 we have overnight lip mask. Ooh, I like an overnight lip mask. Let's see what it looks like. That's our applicator. So you're just going to blend it right on. And it has that same little sugary, like cotton candy scent. I like that. Now we're on to day number 8. 8's right here in this little pink box. And on day number 8, we have a lip gloss, and this is a nice little mauve lip gloss. I like that. That's nice. Again, it has that little sweet smell, and this is all by Ulta, so very nice. Now we're on to day number 9, and on day number 9, we have mattifying face primer. Ooh, that's nice. Always good to have a primer, and again, we're in the pink. Everything is in the pink. Now we're on day number 10. And in day number 10, we have a highlighter. So I wasn't expecting a highlighter. Thought we was going to have us another eyeshadow, but look at that. That's a nice highlighter. Yeah. So you're really going to have 12 days of beauty here. That's really nice. That was day 10. Now we're on to day 11. And it is an eyeliner, and it looks to be in black. I'm pretty sure of that. So we have us a nice eyeliner. And in day number 12, here we go. And as you can see, I've tore this completely away from the rim because I just had to in order to get to this. That's the way it was set up. So we have in day number 12, we have a makeup sponge, and it's in that bright neon pink, so very lovely. All right, guys, that was day 12. What do you think? I mean, wow. For $22, you're getting quite the little bag of products, and will be a nice little gift for somebody. Very affordable. I think this is probably the most affordable one that I've seen so far as beauty. This is basically all makeup, and as a recap, we had our nude lipstick, we had our overnight lip mask, we had our mauve color lip gloss, we had our lip oil, we had our mattifying primer, we had our eyebrow gel, We had an eyeshadow. We actually had 2 eyeshadow duos. One featuring blue, one featuring kind of a pinky color with browns. We had a highlighter, and we had this glimmer bronze cream eyeshadow, and we had the eyeliner, and we had this pink sponge. So very nice. I think that was a great little box of goodies for the 12-day zodiac signs. I wished, in my opinion, that they would have been more specific in the zodiac. You know, like, this is Taurus, this is Gemini, this is Leo, this is Capricorn. But they didn't have any special notes in the whole calendar that I noticed. Now I'd had to go back and read each box to find that out for sure. This one says forever loyal, and then any other wording that they might have had in the bottom would have been covered up. This is boss babe. So there were some words on there, but some of them were covered up by their packaging and with the glue. So in that sense, it wasn't put together very well as far as the names of like the zodiac sign. This one here was Sweet Tooth. I mean, so I really don't see how that's necessarily related to the zodiac. So on that, this here says homebody. So, you know, maybe that's supposed to represent Taurus or somebody. I don't know. I mean, I know Taurus is earthy. So, not sure on that, if they really connected the zodiac with it or not. In my opinion, they did not. That part was a fail. I think it could have been done much better, and they could have maybe had little sheets of paper or something written on the outside of the box that would be in plain sight about what Gemini or Taurus or Pisces or whatever. But overall, I think the inside products are really cute. I like the packaging, all in the bright pink, and like I said, this would be a perfect little carry-all. You put it in a little makeup bag and you're set. You've got a little bit of everything to carry with you to either do your makeup and or to update it, freshen it up a little bit. You've got it. Hey guys, there was one more item in there, and it was called the Ultimate to the Moon and Back. Inside here, this is like a beauty piñata, and I don't know what's in this beauty piñata. And I'm not going to open it because I don't want to ruin it. It says to open here, and because I don't want to open it and because I want it to be a surprise, it is a $22 value, and it does tell you some of the items that may be found in there. It says get ready to party and add some extra fun. Hang up the super cute piñata and pull open the secret door to reward 10 mini treats that any makeup obsessed would be sure to love. And make the getting ready process feel like a party. Ulta Beauty's collection to the Moon and Back Beauty Piñata is full of tiny treats for the holiday season. Gold moon-shaped piñata is great for gifting and giving. So that is what this is about. It has 10 favorites in there and includes a variety of makeup items. And I'm not going to tell you any more than that because I believe for the first time, instead of being a mystery, this will be in the giveaway. So if you're interested in this Ulta Beauty 12-Day Zodiac, this is the prize, and it is a $22 value. I am not opening it. I will mail it out to the winner, and you can open this up and have a little fun with it. The word you need to use for this is a phrase to the moon and back. And also let me know if you had a favorite item of the Advent Calendar, the 12 Days of Beauty featuring Zodiac through Ulta. And if you liked any of these particularly, let me know. What did you think about the packaging? Overall, I thought it was cute. I just thought it failed in the end as far as the Zodiac. I don't even know why they threw Zodiac in there if they weren't going to really feature it more. But otherwise, I thought the products were cute, and I think it'll make a nice little gift. So don't get me wrong. I think anyone would love tearing into any kind of Advent calendar, don't matter what size or shape that it is. It's always fun going through there and finding finding out all the goodies. But that's all I have today for this Advent calendar. Let's get to the rules. You must be 18 years or older. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions, and I'm not responsible if this prize gets lost or stolen through the Postal Service. You must have an address within the continental USA. All the regular rules apply, and please look down in the bottom. YouTube and our ULTA are not affiliated with this giveaway. And anyways, I have purchased all these items and giving them to you. And like I said, in this particular giveaway, I am announcing that this is the giveaway for this one. There'll be 10 treats in there for you, and I will mail it out to you. If you are the winner, you will also be eligible to win the overall grand prize. Now, which is an Advent calendar curated by me. So this was Advent calendar series number 9. And I don't know that I said that in the very beginning, but I do want to number these so I know where we're at. As for today, an ULTA beauty, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for all the other collaborations and our giveaways that are going on. You can watch the Advent calendar series from start to finish. I will have a playlist in the description. And can't think of anything else. So that's it, guys. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.